General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's get this work. This is the first time I started up, and none of this stuff is about Trump. Let me see. Now I gotta look just to see. Hold on, yeah, Trump. Hold on, wait. Trump. Whoa, hold on. What is going on with the media? Okay, to Trump. Yeah, it's a new day. I guess they took the day off. Usually, as soon as you open it up, it's like Trump. April 22nd. Today was Richmond Manufacturing Index, but that regular news is not doing nothing. It's all tariffs. Yeah, it's important. Actual was down. It's important. All that stuff's important, but nothing important right now besides China and EU tariffs. It's like earnings. Tesla reported earnings. I think they missed on everything. The market's still worried about tariffs. PMI tomorrow. What is that? Is that the correct time? Yeah, 9:45 PMI. Yeah, it's Eastern time. Okay. It's a weird time. I like 8:30 news. 9:45 PMI. Red photo news. CME Fed Watch. Let's see if that Richmond Manufacturing Index helped or hurt interest rate speculations. Okay, it hurt. Hold up. I just fixed this mouse too. Okay, so no rate cuts in May. You just never know. One day it might be like 50%. No rate cuts. May 7th. Because we check it every day. You just never know. It's like earnings. You want to stay on top of it You could be like, I'm gonna remember earnings, but are you really gonna remember? 59%. This is actually significant. Significant drop in rate cut for June 18. We at 59% now. Let's go get the earnings. I think we got a day to chill, and then Thursday is Alphabet. Boeing, O'Reilly, IBM, Chipotle, regular stuff. Chill on earnings for Wednesday. Get ready for Google on Thursday. Google should be a capital word. They make you capitalize everything else. Dollar on the daily. We should be getting our legendary move. Okay, we are. So this range high is next. Let me take this off this border. It's the only thing I don't like about them boxes when you can't see the wicks. This should be our next target. We should take this high. Take this high, maybe hit this retracement, then die. The dollar's going down. Like, I think people are hopeful the dollar goes up, but let it go down. Can't cry about things going up and down. You're a trader. 100, 276. It's the next key level I'm looking at. Today on NASDAQ. What's going on? Okay, yeah, we gapped up. So this is target miss. We took Monday's high, which is good. We also took Friday's high, and we also had EQ of previous week's range. This is actually pretty good for one shot, one kill territory. Go here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, target missed. We ran the highs. Could this be Tuesday high of the week? I'm thinking Wednesday midweek reversal. Maybe around PMI release. And that would be the one shot, one kill setup I'm looking for this week. I'm looking for this week. I was going to say I'm looking for this week. That's actually a lot more concise. Okay, we got an alert. No, I don't think we came. Let's take off. Now we'll keep that alert. But this is closing price of this week. We never got here. So this is actually a good alert for me, which will be old new week opening gap. Link, yep. We haven't hit old new week opening gap yet from weekly perspective. It seems like a good area to stock setups. We already did the retracement and grabbed buy side liquidity. All is well, the only thing left is CSD and respect bearish arrays to give us a setup. Now, let's go to this daily here. It's kind of gappy. We still got this here. We already smacked the alert that I had over there. You could say this could be a bullish order block because we did grab liquidity. Let's move this here. I want to see if we close through it. We did. We're gonna keep this here. I'm gonna make this red. How's that volume imbalance? I'll keep that alert there too. Let's make this a little bigger. We won't really. Okay, this is a quarter level. Q1 2024 low. We can take this off the board. Here's 2024 open price or 2024 low. It's right there. I don't know what this is. Kind of monthly. These monthly levels be everywhere. Go here. Just a monthly range. Go here. Whatever that is. No. Go back to the monthly. Okay. And this gap can go to. All right. Much better. All right. We already took 2024 low. Yeah, I don't see the gap people was talking about. 6 months, quarterly order block. We tapped here. Quarterly fair value gap here. This is a little bit more interesting. That's if we go all the way to the dirt. I doubt it though. Here. We're just building a range. We need a 3-bar swing low. And I believe I was on the daily. Yeah. Yep, I am on the daily. All right. Somewhere I want my idea to form here. I got lots of alerts set up too, so. Okay, we're running. We can sell now. We We took this high. What's this? Thursday's high. Just keeping my eye open. PMI should do it. If PMI don't run and just runs away, it'll be something. London, something. I mean, even if Asia melts. Asia has been melting lately to where it's like the setup of the day is in Asia, which is the weirdest thing, but it is what it is. You got to just be ready. You can't be like, all right, I'm going to force my will and make it happen in London. Unit sales. Unit sales are preferably like to see something formed in London. That old new week opening gap or PMI release. Oh snap! What I do? And New York session. Look how we're at 50% of new weeks or previous week's range. Nope. How we play around previous week's range. We at EQ and almost too old new week opening gap. Just wait. Don't chase or try to catch tops. A lot of times, even if say it wants to keep running, if you take a textbook something, you'll be at break even with partials before it's all said and done. Low-hanging fruit right here is just gap fill, which we closed here. Hold up. 18,359.25, but I want lower. That's just low-hanging fruit. 18,359. $359.25 is my low-hanging fruit objective. We are in hunting ground now, so no need for alerts. Just wait for confirmation entries. All right. Cool. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.